This is my 1968 E-Type Jag. This is a very good unrestored survivor car that I've been sympathetically restoring and modernizing with the aim of making a very good, reliable car that I can use. In the previous episodes, we have rebuilt the carbs and fuel system to fix the car's starting issues. We have then done some sympathetic upgrades, including putting in a new electronic ignition, putting in a high-torque starter motor, and putting on a new exhaust. All of this has made the car a pleasure to live with mechanically. Today we're going to tackle the floorboard issue and rust repair. This is a very solid car with very little rust, and the only patch of rust it has is on the left-hand footwell floor panel. The rust is concentrated in this left-hand corner, and the rest of the floor panel is very solid. So I've decided to do this as a patch repair rather than placing the whole panel, so we can retain as much of the original panel as possible. I purchased this replacement panel so that I could get the correct contours of the floor panel when doing the patch repair. We cut the floor panel to remove all the rust and go as far back into the panel where we know the metal is solid and does not have any more rust or corrosion. It is fairly simple to cut a square section from the new panel and weld it in. I'm very happy with this repair, and it is now very solid. I have wax oiled the inside of the car to prevent any further rot or rust development. And here we have the repaired section, which we have painted and stone chipped to match the rest of the underside. This is a job that was on the list that I'm very pleased to have done. Please join me in the next episode where I will be repairing some of the gauges that have started playing up. So as a quick preview for the next episode where I'm having loads of trouble with the oil gauge, I've bought a new oil sender, replaced the oil sender, that was not the issue, and landed up buying a new gauge but still having a load of issues with it. So please join me next time and see how we resolve the issue. Please do look at some of my previous episodes where we have vastly improved the survivor car while sympathetically restoring and modernizing it. Thanks all for watching another episode of RC Classic Garage. See you all next time.